the end of the day. But then you love it. You don't want to put them down, but they get tired. Good, you have one more. Very nice. Oh, I'm knocking over your water. And rest. Bring the body. Now, Chelsea, can you show them what a modification would look like where you kneel on the bottom knee? So bend that. Yeah, there you go. If it's too hard for you to balance in that other position, you can go right here. Now, I know you're strong, so come back up for me. You're going to feel those. Get away with
Oh, I'm not good at those.
5, 4. They should be burning a little bit.
Yeah.
3, 2. Last one. Awesome. Take a second, and when you're ready, flip to the other side for me. Oh, you can't work out during pregnancy. As long as you've been cleared by your doctor to do it, it's really good for you and the baby. There's a lot of benefits that come from it. Babies born to moms who exercise tend to sleep better, they have higher APGAR scores, they breastfeed easier. So you're not only doing something really good for you, you back, down, and row. Very nice. Really squeezing those shoulder blades together. This is a move that's going to challenge your balance for sure. Pregnant or not, this move would challenge your balance. So take your time when you're doing it. Really find where that position is. Don't be discouraged if you are used to working out and you have to use lighter weights or you get out of breath faster. That's good. And again, if you need to modify, you can just give me that toe tap. That'll still bring the heart rate up by using the arms. If you feel like your heart rate is going too high, you can keep the arms at T high so that you're making those abdominal muscles work. Good.
Oh, I did it.
It's getting tired, right? You have 5 more to go. You go right ahead. 5. Perfect. She did great on the other side, held it up the whole time.